Hey, it's Tori, and welcome back to my channel. Well, Ice Nine Kills just dropped a brand new single maybe about an hour or two ago, so I thought I would jump on here and react to it right away for you guys. The song is called Rainy Day. Now, they have changed, all their profile pictures to an image of a white and red umbrella, which is leading me to the assumption that this song is going to be about Resident Evil. Now, I absolutely love Resident Evil. I love the franchise, the whole thing, movies and games. I recently did just complete Resident Evil Village on like the medium mode. I really want to try it on like the super hard mode, but I was like freaking myself out already with on medium, so I can't imagine how it would be on like hard. Like the scariest part in there. So if those of you who know, oh my goodness, I'm not gonna spoil it, but it was horrendous and it was horrible, and I really wanted to cosplay as Lady Dimitrescu. She is like the 7-foot vampire lady that you meet in the castle, and I mean, I should still do her. I'm only 5'2", and obviously I don't have things that she has. If you get my drift, but that shouldn't put you off cosplaying a character you love. And there are gatekeepers out there, but there are gatekeepers everywhere. So anyway, let's dive right into this song and check it out together.
Run. Crawl through the holes in.
This is already so much different than Assault and Batteries. Like, we're gonna go to the beginning and like catch where he starts singing, but yeah, this is a lot different already. I'm loving like the electrical feel.
Crawl through the holes in the evidence where evil is taking up residence. No faith in what red and white will say. They save the truth for a rainy day. Fall through the cracks with the casualties. Freedom's thrown out with morality. Become a soldier for the controller. Are you listening?
Oh! Those vocals! Spencer has such a wonderful voice, and the whole band always sound. This is like the second song I've checked out on the channel by them, but I have heard, I think their previous album was played on Octane a lot, and I always loved his vocal style. And this is the second music video I've seen from them, and the production level is like crazy high. I would love to dress up as a zombie one day and just run around after and chasing people. I think it would be a lot of fun.
Run. A call to survivors has just come through. Resist the zombies and wake up you. Call out the lies, blow the storm away. Don't say the truth for a rainy day. Are you listening?
feel like we're gonna go into a breakdown, but I want to try and find. I'm probably not gonna be able to find it, but there's a zombie running around with like the chainsaw and the burlap sack on his head, and that is so reminiscent of the games. And I feel like they put that in the movie, but I'm not 100% sure. It's been a long time since I've watched them, like from the beginning all the way to the end. But I really love how different this is. I love when bands can show that they can do different types. They can either stick to like cleaner type songs, or they can go on full on heavy like they did with Assault and Batteries. I'm hoping there's like a dirty breakdown in here, so I guess we will see.
Next level, all access.
Denied.
Yes, come on.
You die. Until you beat.
Are you listening to the whispering? Is it sinking in? 'Cause it's sickening. Will you take the bait while you suffocate? 'Cause you know something is creeping in. Are you listening to the whispering? Is it sinking
Oh no.
in? 'Cause it's sickening. Will you take the bait?
Yeah, shoot him! Shoot him!
Run.
Oh! She missed the headshot! You know you gotta get the headshot for zombies.
Oh, Christ. 18 hours until he's back on the street, and all we got's another fucking videotape?
The fiance dies in this tape too, doesn't she?
Like I said during that reaction, I really love when bands like switch and change up their styles to show that they're not just, you know, they're not just one-sided, that they can do multiple things but still sound like themselves. And I also love bands that have lore to them. I really need to go back to the start and dig deeper into these guys, because Ghost is a huge favorite of mine. They have a lot of lore in their band too. Like, you know, we all know it started with Papa Emeritus 1, and then it went to 2, 3, and then Cardinal Copia, and now it's 4, and we're waiting to see what's gonna happen with them. But yeah, I'm excited about this band. I just love the originality here, and I love that they're like doing like the spooky, scary side of things. Like, I definitely do need to go back and like check out more from them. So if you guys would like me to do that on the channel, please let me know. Any other band songs or artists that you guys would like me to check out, I do have a request video. The link for that is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to become a Torian. Speaking of becoming a Torian, and if you'd like to support me on my channel, I do have merch. The link for that is in the description. All my social media handles are in the description too. And I will see you guys in the next video. Rock on.